where is the train station? So you say, di mana stasiun? Perfect. Then you try, where you go. You say, kamu mana pergi? Kamu mana pergi? Your friend understands, but pauses. Not because it's wrong, but because it sounds like English wearing Indonesian words. Today, we fix that. Welcome back to the Indonesian Language Lab. Today, we unlock something you use every single minute in real conversation. Questions. Not grammar questions, real life questions. Where, when, who, what, why, and how. Today, we're investigating why do Indonesian question words not behave like English? English moves question words to the front. Where are you going? What are you doing? Why are you here? Indonesian does something simpler. It keeps normal sentence order and just adds the question word. Here's the rule. Question word plus statement. Indonesian does not flip the sentence. It builds on top of it. Let's see it clearly. Apa? What? Siapa? Who? Di mana? Where? Kapan? When? Mengapa? Or kenapa? Why? Bagaimana? How? Let's use you are going. You are going as an example. Kamu pergi. Where are you going? Kamu pergi ke mana? Not di mana kamu pergi. Both exist, but conversational Indonesian often keeps the base sentence intact. Kamu makan apa? You eat what? Kamu ketemu siapa? Who are you meeting? Kamu berangkat kapan? When do you leave? Indonesian prefers stability. It builds meaning instead of rearranging it. Think base sentence first, question word added at the end, like attaching a tag. Now, try to translate this one. Where are you going? Correct. Kamu pergi ke mana? What are you doing? Yes. Kamu lagi apa? Who is that? Very good. Itu siapa? Now, listen to this mini dialogue.
Kamu mau kemana?
Ke kantor.
Kapan balik?
Nanti sore.
Let's do a quick translation quiz. Why are you here? Kamu di sini kenapa? So far, you learned question words are added, not used to flip structure. Indonesian prefers sentence stability. Spoken Indonesian often places question words at the end. Next, we're solving one of the biggest beginner problems. How do you say time, quantity, and numbers without sounding unnatural? If you are finding this lesson helpful, you can take your skills to the next level with my specialized courses. You can find the links to both in the description below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.